Okay, so before doing any work inside your engine bay on the P38, it can be a good thing to lift the bonnet to the service mode. So I'll show you how to do that. So the bonnet is held up with two gas struts, and they are connected to the body there and to the bonnet. So you can just loosen the struts by removing this little tab, and then you can lift it out just like that. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Take the strut off and lift the whole bonnet up. And then there are these tabs in the hinge mechanism that you can move about. And then there's a little knob. So you have to push the tab down and then align it to click into place. That will actually hold the bonnet in place.